Outdoor Wi-Fi pan tilt camera installation video. Install SD card. Open the micro SD card cover at the bottom. Insert the micro SD card. Close the cover tightly. Download TDSE app. Method 1. Scan the QR code on the package to download the app. Method 2. Search for and download the app from your phone's app store. Connect the power supply and wait for the camera start up. Add camera to your phone. Method 1. Wireless connection. Tap Add a device and scan the QR code on the camera. Choose the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network that you want the camera to connect and enter the password. Allow your phone to connect to the camera's hotspot. Wait for the camera to be added automatically. Method 2. Wired connection. Connect the Ethernet cable. Tap Add a device and scan the QR code on the camera. Tap Wired config icon in the upper right corner. The camera will be added automatically. Mount camera. 3 methods: wall mounting, ceiling mounting, pole mounting.